What's up, YouTube? I'm here. I was looking for a pineapple that was already just cut up, but I went to Target, so I had to do with what they had. But I'm making shrimp tacos, so I'm gonna cut this pineapple and I'll get back with you guys. So I can cut out the pineapple. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Or should I slice it before I put it in the fridge? Oh no, put it in the fridge and let it get cool. And I'll be back shortly after I get done grilling this shrimp. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just chop the corn, chop the lettuce, chop the pineapples, cheese, shrimp, chicken in the joint. You know what I mean? About to have these tacos jumping. Chase! Shrimp taco, chicken taco. What did you do?